Today we are talking about glass storage and glass display options for your glass art. So let's get right into it. Heyo, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Potter with Grandmaster Glass. Thanks for tuning back in to your home for glass blowing. Today we are talking about display options for your heady glass and your glass art. So it's something that I always kind of thought about, and I've gone through a couple different stages of how I store and display my art. So I thought I'd make this video. We're going to talk about a few tips and tricks, just an easy way to store and display your art. But before we get any further in the video, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, give this video a like, comment down below, how do you display your art? Do you not display it at all? Do you keep it hidden away? Do you have display cabinets? How do you display your art? Let me know in the comments down below. So starting off talking about storage. That was one of the things as a glass blower, I need to travel with my glass, be able to take it places, show it to people. So I only knew about this brand called Pelican. It's an awesome brand, #1 case, and they're pretty expensive. They do the job, but when wanting to layer and have multiple rows of glass, this kind of only accommodates like one dimension. You can cut it into layers, but it starts becoming really difficult. You can kind of see here on the Boro Lion collab that we still have, it is it's like shoved deep in there, so it's nice and snug. You can layer pendants on top, but it's not the most optimal thing. I've had this case since day one, and so like this is what I took everywhere with me. This is what I put all my glass when I was first learning how to blow glass. Would take it with me to work, places, shops. As time went on, I found another company called Boulder Case Company. They have since gone out of business, which is a huge drag. But they made like, oh shit, they made custom sizes of all kinds of cases. This one I use specifically for my personal pendant. That's a creep pendant that I own, and he was able to sign the case for me. I just found this like perfect travel sizer to store and just like throw under your bed or something. So that is a cool option, but no longer really around. I'm waiting for more companies to make kind of Pelican style cases. There is another company that is sold at Harbor Freight. They're called Apache. They are about maybe a fourth of what a Pelican costs. Now, where I've come most recent, like the form I used most recently, these are gun cases that I get off of like Amazon, but they're $10. And they just store, you can literally shove anything in there, get it to close and clamp, and you can just take these anywhere with you. So those are all of my storage options for glass when I travel. The last one that, my last storage option that I don't have out here is like a shotgun case that I use for glass. It was like $40. It's similar style to this kind of like pistol case, but it's really, really long. So that's good if you have big pieces. So that's kind of all my tips and, stages of storing throughout me blowing glass and figuring things out. So definitely the Amazon pistol cases work the best. You can have like 30 of those, just tie them all together. I mean, I've seen some people do some crazy stuff with that. So it's definitely a cost-effective option compared to a Pelican, and they get bigger. I mean, this one is it's $40 for this, $10 for that. The bigger you get in the Pelicans, I mean, they just go hundreds of dollars. So that's all that on the storage. Now on display, switch over, get a little bit wider of an angle. I've been using these cases since, I don't know, for like 5 or 6 years now. This is the third one that I own. The other two are in my room for my personal collection. This is by far the best option for storing and displaying glass. I'm gonna slowly start filling this up. I just put this out here, but they're like 60, 80 bucks from Ikea. Super easy to put together. You can actually do little pocket lights, and that way the whole thing is illuminated. I mean, hands down, the best way to display your art and your glass for relatively cheap. I mean, you can go on Facebook Marketplace, you can find deals, you can go on all types of websites and find all types of display cabinets that are extremely nice, that are outfitted with lights, I mean, but by far bang for your buck, and I think it looks the best, is this Ikea. It's like a case. I'll link it in the description, put it on the screen, but hands down, I love this case. Like I said, the third one I own, and if you were to have a really, really tall piece, these actually come out. So you could do like a double tall one as well. One other trick that I've seen, these sides are all separate, and you can actually stick two of these cabinets next to each other and not do a sidewall and be able to have basically a double wide shelf. Just a little bit of a DIY hack for this case, but hands down, like I said, best display option for the money. And I'm able to fit it right here in my studio. Got my glass table, couch, and whole station. So yeah, I found this to be the best option for displaying your glass, and this being the best option for storage. So I think that probably wraps up today's video. Turn this around for you guys. As well, I am actually going to put links for everything I've talked about, kind of make it more YouTube oriented. Related links down below on the Pelican, on the secondary pistol case, on the larger shotgun case, on this Ikea case. So pretty much links on everything, just so y'all guys can know, and you can look it up if you want, just to have a little bit of reference. So that about wraps it up for you guys. Just a few tips and tricks and information I would have wanted to know about the cases when I first started looking, stuff about the display cases when I first started looking. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. More videos to come, reviews on my tools, a review on my torch, the whole 9 yards. Just enjoying talking to you guys, providing information, helping you guys grow. That is my motto, to never stop evolving. And I'm here to provide that for you guys. Give you that extra bit of information, that bit of inspiration. Like, comment, subscribe, and remember guys, never stop evolving.